The Air Jordan 6 is one of the most iconic sneakers in Jordan brand history, originally released in 1991 and worn by Michael Jordan during his first NBA championship run. Now, as the silhouette celebrates its 35th anniversary in 2026, fans are getting one of the most anticipated releases yet, the Air Jordan 6 Reverse Infrared. This pair was first seen as an unreleased sample back in 1999, a flipped version of the classic infrared colorway, but it never made it to stores. After multiple infrared reissues through the years, Jordan brand is finally launching the Reverse Infrared in spring 2026. The shoe keeps the familiar black nubuck upper but stands out with a bolder, more vibrant red on the midsole, heel branding, and accents. It also features the signature perforated panels, the Jumpman tongue logo, Nike Air branding on the heel, and a clean translucent outsole. A true must-have for Jordan 6 collectors and fans.